Kim, tell them this, make them know. Anywhere you go, the people love you. Like a four-leaf glove, are you lucky? And if you tell them about the food, them a judge you. Just know say the thing well up, they Kim, you a top class, so you full of top sauce. In a food where them know you are the boss, yeah. When you walk past, people a talk, but tell them, move them. Oh, Kim so clean, so saucy. Every meat, every green, so saucy. Every meal where she cooks, so saucy. Call her queen in the street, cause she saucy. Kim so clean, so saucy. In her teeth and her jeans, so saucy. Every meal where she cooks, so saucy. Call her queen in the street, cause she saucy.
So guys, I'm back. Your girl Kim is back. So this is some red peas that I'm putting here to boil with my garlic and a little salt. So I'll be making rice and peas today. That's what's on the menu. So I put this here for it to boil, and then guess what? Let me cover that. I got some seasoned chicken. So I'll be making fried chicken today, and my chicken is already seasoned, as you guys can see. I didn't show you the procedure of how I did it, but I washed it with vinegar and water, and these are all the seasoning that I used on the chicken right here. And I even have some scallion, some thyme, and some garlic also in here. So it's here marinating and soon be ready for the pot. So guys, as you can see, the peas is boiling, the water is boiling, and there's peas floating. So I'll be putting some boiled water on that to let them sink. Then I'll cover it up back and let it cook. Yeah, that's enough. So guys, I'll be checking on the peas to see if it's cooked. So this is it. So guys, the peas is already cooked. The peas is already cooked. Here it is. Then I'll be adding my Grace coconut milk and some scallion and thyme, and I'll let that boil for like 3 to 4 minutes before I add my rice. Yeah. So here it is, my scallion and thyme. Voila. Then I'll add some butter with the coconut milk and let that boil for a little. Then I'll add my rice. So guys, I'm getting everything ready here for the fried chicken. The pot is hot, and I'll be pouring in my oil. This is the oil that I use. I'm gonna pour all of this in there. Yeah, maybe I should use a little more. So guys, as you can see, the other one finished, so I'm just gonna pour a little more in here. That should be it. And this is all I use, as I said earlier. I have this bag here with, this is flour in a Ziploc bag. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna put my chicken in and shake it up. So I put a little touch of baking powder and a little bit of sugar. This is how I do my thing still, so you don't have to put it, but this is how I do it. And I'm gonna put the chicken. Oh, I'm gonna show you a special way how I made mine. And over here is the peas. You know, it's still boiling. I'm gonna add the coconut milk to this now. So guys, this is it. The rice is in it now with the butter and the coconut milk. So guys, I have some flour that I'm gonna put the chicken into. I have a strainer. You guys must be wondering, what am I doing with a strainer? You'll see. So I'm taking the seasoning off. So this is some warm water. There you go. So this is what it looks like so far. 3 pieces are in. I'll show you when these are finished. The first 3 pieces. And there's more. And there's this. So this is the finished look. My whole idea for the water was to give it that nice little flake. That's it.